Okay, to enable or disable storage sense in Windows 10 Home, go to Settings, click or tap Start menu, and then click or tap Settings, select System, and then select Storage. On storage, tap switch until on to enable or tap until off to disable. Storage sense can automatically free up space by getting rid of files you don't need, like temporary files and content in your recycle bin. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.